What is NLP? Have you ever wondered how your smartphone understands your voice commands? Or how your email inbox filters out spam messages? The answer lies in a fascinating field known as natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. In simple terms, it's about teaching computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that's meaningful and useful. So, what exactly can NLP do? Well, the applications are vast and varied. From machine translation services that help break down language barriers, to sentiment analysis tools that gauge public opinion on social media, NLP is everywhere. Natural language processing is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. It's powering virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, enabling them to understand and respond to our voice commands in real time. In essence, natural language processing is bridging the gap between humans and machines, making our interactions with technology more intuitive, efficient, and seamless than ever before. The following examples show how NLP has made an impact in various fields. Chatbots in healthcare. Chatbots like Molly, Eva, Ginger, Replica, Florence, and Izzy are widely used in healthcare. These bots provide the following support by providing end-to-end suggestions to patients from their diagnosis to treatment options, managing medication, helping in emergency situations or with first aid, offering a solution for simpler medical issues. Chatbots for mental health support. Bots like Visa and Vobot are designed in such a way that they can provide support like a life coach. They are so good at asking right probing questions that can help the user to share their emotions and feelings after a hard day. Chatbots in banks. Banks like Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase and Wells Fargo have chatbots to provide financial advice and digital support. Basic tasks like balance inquiry, bank account details, loan queries, etc. can be handled by these bots efficiently, so that the customer service representatives of the banks can invest their time for handling complex issues where human expertise is crucial. Chatbots for legal advice. Lawyers can use bots like DoNotPay, Lisa, Ross, and BillyBot to accelerate their work and provide better client experiences. NLP is also playing an increasing role in areas like legal research by finding relevant information to make legal decisions, finding the relevance of documents to information requests, contract review to check if a contract is complete, document automation to generate routine legal documents, questions and answer dialogues to provide tailored legal advice. Other NLP applications. In smart keyboards like SwiftKey, the software automatically completes your sentences by predicting the next word and corrects your spelling mistakes. Applications like Grammarly can automatically correct your spelling and grammar and assists you in writing better essays or emails.